Hey everyone, Jake here with Trugard. I wanted to show you a 48 by 72 shower tray. Okay, so what you're gonna get, like the other videos that I explained, you're gonna get the 48 by 48 center drain tray. It'll come in 4 pieces. Okay, then what we're gonna get here next is like a 56 by 60 on our trays. You're gonna get an extension kit. Okay, that's gonna be 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 individual pieces. Each of them are 12 by 36 inches. This is how you're going to actually make a 48 by 72 shower tray. Okay, so we're going to take our pieces here, and each of them are a 1/4 inch slope. So you're going to have a thin side and a thick side. So make sure you slope it properly towards the center. So you're going to lay them down accordingly. Okay. Piece them together. Now you'll notice that these don't have any interlocking. That's fine. You're going to fill these up here with modified thin set and just squish it in place. All right, so it looks a little odd. 48 center drain tray there in the center, and you've got 4 extension pieces to make 72 inches here by 48 here. Now you'll have to trim off these excess corners, which is easy. You can trim them off with a butter knife, but most people just have any simple razor blade, X-Acto knife, or whatever. We'll be able to do that. Table saw if you have that. Once you cut these pieces down, you're gonna have 72 inches this way. Okay, so you have 72 inches of slope, and then 48 inches of slope left and right. That's what comes in a 72 by 48 or 48 by 72 shower tray. That again is going to be 4 pieces and then another 4 pieces. So you're going to have 8 pieces in 2 different boxes. That's what's in a 48 by 72 shower tray. Hope that helps. Check the link or check the description for a link that explains. I go into detail in sketch drawings of things you can do with these different sizes and stuff like that. So check that out. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.